guys, and welcome back to another video where you join me on top of Jebel Jais in Ras Al Khaimah, and basically today we're going to be jumping off some of these cliffs. You can see how high we are right now. We're about to start doing the zip line trek, which is 6 different zip lines going back and forth all the way across here, which is pretty crazy. The view is insane. Let's get going. So we've made it to the Jebel Jais zip line visitor centre, which is behind us, and also over here is Jais Sledge, which we're going to try and go on afterward. This is the centre, and we've collected our wristband. Now we head to the blue building. Oh my God. That platform over there, that's not right. Whoa! Number 2 done. Wow. So we've just done 2 of the zip lines. The first one's one of the longest and it was pretty crazy. The drop is a lot, but the views are insane. The second one, just as good. Now we're on to the third one. We've gone from there to there to there to there. That's what's keeping us safe. Is this the tallest one?
No, the next one.
Don't look down.
That's not right, is it?
This would be get like lower, not higher somehow.
This platform doesn't seem very safe.
We'll go first.
No, and look down.
No, I'm at myself. Let's go.
Down.
No, I'd rather just go. I just want to go.
You've done the hardest part.
I've been completely fine the whole time, even with all these heights, and finally that platform got me. I was absolutely, I don't know how I did that. Oh my God, instantly, like even on the platform looking down, I don't even know how high that is. That is like hundreds of meters, I swear. Whew, look. But I did it, and that was the longest and the steepest, and I've got a hair now. On to number 5, I think it is out of 6.
For messing around.
So that is it. We finished our little sky tour up Jebel Jais. It was a really amazing experience, well worth the money. It was very, very scary at some points. I was pretty much fine. I'm a little bit scared of heights, but I was fine most of the way. It's just that dodgy platform. Oh my God, it was 250 meters up and just a bit of scaffolding holding it and a pure drop. And honestly, getting off of that one, I've never been so scared. But amazing, we've got some amazing views driving through Jebel Jais now. But that is it, we're heading to a concert tonight, so check out some of my pictures from that at Brad H Photos. If not, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you somewhere in the UAE next time. Boom.